Hi there, this is Sufi from Get Data Solution. Today we'll see about sales filter. We'll use this data entry page. Here is the instruction page and the benefit page, and here is the report page. So let's come to the instruction page and the benefit page. Here in the data name is sales filter. We will actually take the data from the pick list for physical year, branch, month, and physical year, branch, and month. We'll take from the pick list. We write the date, and we also pick the item to be sold from the pick list, and we simply insert the quantity sold. Then we'll save and then refresh. It will automatically generate the update by month and branch. So that is the instruction page. Here is the benefits. Some of the benefits are this system will actually make easy and convenient to enter data. It automatically updates the sales, automatically generates sales chart and achievement. It also saves time, avoid manual calculation, and simple to view by month or by branch. At the same time, it is very convenient to share to teams, all salespersons, all sales managers. So it is also give opportunity to support and follow up our sales performance. It also lets the branch to know sales progress as a team, and also help us to keep the data quality. In terms of its use, it is recommended for sales managers, sales team or salesperson, business organizations, booksellers, stationery owners, and small business owners can use this system. So let's come to the data. In the data page, here is the data page. Just before that, these are our items. For this example, we have used stationery items. These are the list of the items. English book, which with a price of 80, maths books 90, physics book 100, biology book, and so on. So we'll use this data as our sales items and with their corresponding price, and enter our data in this table. Here is the physical year. We'll select from the pick list in this column, in the first column. The branch, we may have different branch, so we'll actually pick our branches. In this particular case, we have used A, B, C, and D. Here is the month, and this column is the month, where we also pick the month from the pick list. And this is the date. We can write the date with whatever format we like. Then we can also drag and adjust the date as we like. For example, you can make it 26 and so on. So this can be just easily adjusted. Then when it comes to the items, we simply pick from the drop down menu from among our items, and then we write the quantity sold. Once we insert the quantity sold, the price will automatically just pop up here from the VLOOKUP functions. here is in this week lookup we have used this table, and then total price will be automatically calculated. So this is the data entry page. Once we have inserted this data, we'll get the report. So from this, the major input from our side is the quantity sold, and others information can be just from the pick list. So after we finish this, we'll get this beautiful report page where we can see here a table which summarizes the sales amount by just by each item. For example, in this case, biology books, the total sales amount is 6,090. For maths, for example, 10,800. For physics book, 9,400. And the grand total is 70,385. Here we can also see in this chart by month, sales by month for January month, which is over 19,000, for February month over 15,000, and for March over 35,000. Similarly, we can see sales by branch. For branch A, like over 17,000. Branch B here is over 9,000. Branch C 15,000, and branch D over 27,000. So we can easily see our performance in terms of the month as well as in terms of branch. We can also filter the data and see the performance if we like for further information and to support our sales team or branches. For example, we can just filter here for the month. Here is selection is for all, but we can make it for example for the January month and say OK. As we can see for January month, the sales is 90,420. Here is the graph also shows the same. For example, we can change to March. Here is the sales amount for for the month of March. We can also see the performance by branch. Let's say for branch A. For branch A, here is the performance, which is 17,640. It's also shown here. So we can see the data by different for different months and different branch. For example, if we change for branch D, it is 27,870. Let's select for branch A and D. Here is over 45,000 for multiple items has been selected here for branch A and D. Similarly, we can select multiple months. For example, for January and February, and you look at multiple item selection is applied, and the performance is 34,680. So we can know our performance by changing different filters. So this is a sales filter performance reporting for all sales. So in this sales filter report, we have used different uh, methodology. For example, we have used the picker uh, from the list. We have used uh, VLOOKUP function. We have used the filter function, and so on. So this is a very important sales filter, which is actually can be used by different salespeople. As we have already said, we can get all this benefit from this system, as well as this is recommended for this category of people, for sales managers, sales persons, business organization, small business owners, and so on. So this is very important, and anybody can use it for its business. And thank you for listening and watching our channel, Get Data Solution, and bye bye.